Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new GoPro Hero13 Black. I purchased this one a couple of days ago, just haven't gotten around to opening it up. So we're going to do just that today. Please note that this one is the accessories bundle package, not the standard GoPro package, which comes in just in a box and that plain white cardboard enclosure. This one does include the case, the carrying case, the black one, which you are all familiar with. It does have 2 batteries, if I remember correctly, and the GoPro handler. Also a 64 gig card included, which is nice. Okay, so let's try and do the unboxing. I'm going to do this a bit slowly because I do enjoy or prefer to keep the original package of most devices that I buy quite in good shape. Alright, so just bear with me. Okay, this one is a lot easier to do. Alright, this is the package. As you can see, is the accessories bundle. You can see here what it includes: a 64 gig card, 2 mounts, curved ones, I believe. Yes, 2 curved adhesive mounts, GoPro handler, and 2 Enduro batteries. Alright, let's unseal the box. Okay, this one is the carrying case, which is nice to see. That is included. Alright. Okay, up top here we have the user's manual, which does tell us that the camera must be updated before we can use it. Alright. Here is the SD card, the standard 64 gig one, which comes with pretty much all accessories bundles, as far as I know. Alright, let's just set those aside, or let's just put them back in the box. Okay. Here is the handler. This one, well, you can use it in water or around water, but it's also pretty nice carrying handle if you want to walk around, vlog with it. Has a really nice grip on it. Alright, we have the buckle mount. Alright, down here, I believe, yeah, the screw. And this one is nice, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I'm just going to leave it in the box for now. These are the Enduro batteries. As you know, they are quite a bit different in design than what they used to be. I'm just gonna leave the other one right back into the box. Let's see in this part what we have. The 2 curved adhesive mounts. I'm not gonna need those. And last but not least, we have the Hero13 Black, again wrapped in this paper, with again the message on the back display that the camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, is there anything else in the box? Not really. Alright, let's just set this one to the side. I'll just put that one there. We only need 1 battery. Okay, let's peel off the plastics. We'll just save those. Okay, let's try and gently remove it from this paper, which I'm also going to save inside the box. Yeah, don't ask me why, it's just an OCD thing. Alright, peel off the plastic from the back display. As you can see, it is a fairly new design compared to the Hero 12, which you can see here. Yeah, no more of those blue speckles on it. They just gone back to a simple black design. On the bottom, we still have the quarter 20 for mounting a selfie stick directly on it. The GoPro fingers, just like the Hero 12 or all the GoPros, they are quite a bit small, but that's because they also have a new mounting system with the magnetic one, which they do not include in this box, so that's a shame. Alright, the dimensions are pretty much the same, so except for the batteries, all the other accessories are gonna work. The media mod, the light mod, I guess even the display mod, which was launched back with the Hero 8, I believe. Alright, let's put in the battery. See if it has any juice. Hopefully. Wow, that's a really tight fit. Am I doing this wrong? My bad. Guess not. But just does not. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's try and power it up. Yes, it does have any juice, but I'm guessing not that much. Alright, let's go to the... my bad. Let's go to the initial setup. Okay, English. Yes, I agree. GPS will leave off for now. Oh, there is one difference between the Hero 13 Black and the Hero 12. On the 13 they added back GPS, which they removed from the Hero 12. Okay, control camera using your voice. Yes, let's leave it on. Voice control English, confirm. Yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, 29%. Okay, so for now I think that's about it, because I'm going to have to grab power bank in order to charge this one. So yeah, for now we cannot update it, but yeah, this is the unboxing of the Hero 13 Black. I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos of it already. The menu, the main menu, the UI system is pretty much the same as all the other GoPros. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll try and do a few more videos with this one to upload to my channel, a few travel videos. So it's gonna my channel is going to be a mix of unboxing stuff, or tech stuff mostly, and just travel, personal travel. So yeah, if you're into this type of content, then yeah, sure, you can watch. If not, that's okay. Alright, well, thank you again for coming over and watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, see ya guys.